Welcome to the Derivatives and Risk Management course. My name is Alan Eberhardt, Professor of Finance and Senior Associate Dean for the Master Science in Finance or MSF program here at Georgetown University's McDonough School of Business. And I'm thrilled to be teaching the course with my colleagues, Jim Angel and Alan Emmerman.
I really want to echo your thoughts here because this is some of the most challenging, interesting, fun, and yet directly applicable material in the entire MSF program. I hope you have as much fun learning this material as we are having teaching it.
Hear, hear. Each of us has developed the asynchronous materials for 2 modules of this course. And what we would like to do now is give you a brief overview of what we will cover in each module. In Module 1, we're going to explore various questions related to risk management. What do we mean by risk in a financial context? Is risk management something that is desirable? Does it create value for investors? If so, then how? What are some different tools and approaches managers can use to manage risk? By the end of the first module, we will have answered these and other questions, and you'll be left with a set of guidelines to help you think through issues related to risk management. In Module 2, we begin our deep dive into the world of derivatives, beginning with forwards and futures contracts. Forwards and futures are generally straightforward with regard to their terms and mechanics, making them some of the easiest derivatives to understand and value. And that's why they're the starting point in our exploration of derivatives.
In Unit 3, you will learn the secret alchemy of finance, swaps. You will learn how to transform any kind of exposure into a different exposure. It's magic. And it doesn't even require a magic wand. You will learn how to create and value swaps. Plus, you will learn how to use these valuable tools to transform interest rate risk and currency risk.
In Unit 4, I'm going to discuss an entirely new class of derivatives called options, which give the purchaser the right to buy or sell an underlying asset. I'll demonstrate how to value these options at expiration and then set the table for the much more challenging and important task of valuing them before they expire. Toward this end, I'll show the primary determinants of an option's value. In Unit 5, I'll build upon the foundational material I covered in Unit 4 to introduce the single period and multi-period binomial option pricing models. I'll then introduce the Black-Scholes option pricing model and show the relation between this model and the binomial model.
With great power comes great risk. Derivatives are incredibly powerful risk transfer tools. That makes them very risky. Indeed, that high risk is not a bug, but a feature. Therefore, it is extremely important to understand all the risks. We will delve deeper into the so-called Greeks of options, as well as learn about value at risk. Furthermore, we'll learn about the many derivative disasters that have occurred so that you are not doomed to repeat them.